Imagine waking up to a world where silver prices are exploding, hitting $90 and beyond because the biggest supplier just slammed the door on exports. China's new restrictions, kicking in January 1st, 2026, are choking global supply, sparking wild premiums, backwardation, and fears of a massive shortage. Is this the trigger for $100 silver, or even higher? If you're not stacking now, you might regret it. This is the urgent supply squeeze everyone's buzzing about. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we break down the hottest trends in precious metals and global finance. I'm your name, and today we're tackling China's silver export ban and the global supply squeeze it's unleashing. With silver already up 147% last year, this move is fueling debates on X, Reddit, and major news outlets about skyrocketing prices and potential shortages. We'll unpack the facts, the impacts including ties to Pakistan via CPEC, and why this could be your high-urgency alert for 2026. Hit that like if you're ready. And let's get started. First things first, this isn't a total outright ban, but it's the tightest control on silver exports in modern history. Starting January 1st, 2026, China implemented a strict licensing system for all silver exports. Only 44 approved companies can ship it out, and even they face heavy government oversight. China refines and exports 60 to 70% of the world's silver over 4,600 tons just from January to November last year. That's a huge chunk of global supply now locked behind red tape. Why is China doing this? It's treating silver like a strategic asset, not just a commodity. With booming domestic demand for solar panels, EVs, AI tech, and electronics, they need every ounce at home. This echoes their past moves on rare earth-using resources as economic leverage amid trade tensions with the West. Elon Musk even weighed in, warning manufacturers could suffer from the surge in prices. Analysts say this could cut foreign access by 7 to 10%, deepening an already tight market. On Reddit, threads are calling silver unobtainium by 2026. With users debating if this elevates it to military-grade importance, the effects hit hard and fast. Since the ban kicked in, we've seen backwardation in futures markets where near-term prices are higher than long-term ones, signaling immediate scarcity. In Shanghai, physical premiums have spiked 10 to 15% over spot prices. And reports from Asia show even wilder disconnects. Physical silver trading at $130 an ounce in Tokyo, $106 in Kuwait, and $97 in Korea. While paper contracts dip around $75 amid volatility, this is fueling massive fears of shortages. The global silver market has racked up cumulative deficits of over 820 million ounces since 2021. With another 30 million ounce gap projected for 2026, mines can't keep up production. It's flat despite high prices, and recycling isn't filling the void. On supply squeeze ahead, people are highlighting how banks are scrambling under Basel III rules to hold more physical silver. Reddit's or Silver Bugs is buzzing with debates on physical versus paper silver, with threads like China's official silver export ban starts in 10 days, racking up comments about decoupling from COMEX prices. Web articles from Kitco and CNBC are amplifying this, calling it a perfect storm with volatility exploding. Some say the impact is overstated since it's not a full ban, but the licensing squeeze is already pushing foreign buyers to pay through the nose. Industrial users think solar farms and EV batteries are panicking, as silver is essential and irreplaceable in many applications. This isn't just a China story, it's global. The ban deepens the crunch amid booming industrial demand. Solar alone needs 14% more silver this year. And with green energy pushes worldwide, supplies are stretched thin. Geopolitical tensions add flus, tariffs, dollarization by BRICS, and conflicts like Iran and Venezuela are making silver a safe haven hedge. So, where's this headed? Experts are split, but mostly bullish. Bank of America sees silver spiking to $135 to $309 in extreme scenarios, while UBS predicts triple digits soon. With the ban locking up supply, analysts warn of a greatest short squeeze ever, where shorts cover and prices moonshot. Bulls like Peter Schiff say $100 is imminent, especially if industrial demand keeps booming. On the flip side, if thrifting switching to copper alternatives ramps up, or if the ban's impact eases, we could see pullbacks. But fundamentals scream upside deficits, export curbs, and endless volatility point to higher highs. Thanks for watching this, China. Ban could redefine silver in 2026 if it got you thinking. Smash subscribe, hit the bell, and comment. Will silver hit $100 this quarter? Check the description for sources and more. Stay stacked, stay informed. See you next time.